Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your GMC Savana oil light. This quick process helps clear the change oil soon message after an oil change. You can easily do this yourself in just a few steps, ensuring your vehicle's maintenance system is up to date. Let's get started with the first step to prepare your van for the reset. First, get into your GMC Savana and insert the ignition key. Turn the key to the on position, which is one click before starting the engine. It's important that the engine remains off for this procedure. You should see all your dashboard indicator lights illuminate, confirming the vehicle is ready for the next step. Now for the core of the reset. Fully depress the accelerator pedal to the floor, then release it completely. You need to repeat this full press and release action 2 more times, making it a total of 3 presses. Ensure you complete all 3 presses within a quick 5-second window for the reset to register correctly. Once you've completed the pedal sequence, turn your ignition key to the OFF position. Then, start your GMC Savana's engine as you normally would. The change oil soon light or message should now be off, indicating a successful reset. If it remains on, simply repeat the entire procedure from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.